What's going on, everybody? I'm about to head out. Just got done training some clients today. It was a busy day for your boy today, but I could not head out and finish my day without telling y'all this one thing, because this topic has been the topic of discussion in the gym all week, this week so far, and I just want to let y'all in on it. I've been telling my clients all week that they're all that in a bag of chips, and that their purpose here on this earth is much bigger than themselves. You never know who's watching you. You never know who's looking up to you. So I just want to ask you watching this video right now, why do you want to quit? Why do you want to give up? Why do you want to throw it all away? After all you've been through, you just want to give up. You just want to quit just like that. You don't want to get a reward for all the pain that you just endured. You don't want to get something in return from everything that you had to go through. You don't want to see some sort of success after all the hell you just endured. That doesn't make sense to me. That means you're just thinking about yourself. What about your kids? What about your husband? What about your wife? What about your family? What about all the people that love and care for you so dearly? What about all the people that look up to you? What about all the people that are motivated and inspired by you? Think about that. If you quit right now, if you give up right now, you're not just giving up on yourself. Because it's easy to do. It's easy to give up on ourselves. But when you're thinking about every person that's looking up to you, when you're thinking about every person that's inspired by you, when you're thinking about every person that just wants to be just like you, they want to get after it just like you do. When you think about those people, it's harder to quit. It's almost impossible to quit because you don't want to let those people down. So I'm going to ask you again, why do you want to give up? Why do you want to quit? Those people just took everything from you. You just going to lie down and take it? 2020 took everything from you. You just going to lie there and take it? You have people looking up to you. You have people that are motivated by you, whether you know it or not. That's why you cannot stop. That's why you cannot give up. That's why you cannot quit. Get a reward for everything that you are enduring right now. Because I promise you, pain won't last forever, but it will last forever if you stop right now. I said it before and I will say it again. I don't care how many times I say it. I don't care how many times y'all get tired of it. I'm gonna sound like a broken record because it's the truth. This is something that people are dealing with every single day. And any person that comes across this video that's feeling like giving up, that's feeling like quitting, you're all that in a bag of chips. Your purpose here on this earth is bigger than just yourself. You were put here to change somebody's life. You were put here to change somebody's whole entire perspective of life. You were put here to change the world. You know how I know? Because I see the light in you. I see that energy in you. All it's going to take now is for you to believe in yourself. Yes, you've been through a lot. Yes, you've had to endure a lot. I feel you 100%. But I also know that you need to get something in return for everything that you just endured. Everything that was taken away from you, it's time for you to go get it back. But all right, I'm going to get out y'all face. I just want to let y'all know that. Think about that. Think about who may be looking up to you. Think about who may be motivated by you. Think about who may be inspired by you. And tell me that I'll give you some more motivation to keep on going and to keep on pushing. Y'all have a super fantastic rest of your day. Let's go.